Hey Roses, welcome back. It's Olena from Olena Roseanne, and today we're doing another styling video using new products to me from Annabelle's Perfect Blend. Now, I don't know if any of you have tried Annabelle's Perfect Blend, any of her hair care or skin care or hygiene products. I've tried some of her skincare and I have previous videos to show that, and now this is the first time ever I'm trying some of her hair care products, and I chose to use products from her Extreme Hydration line. The products I'm going to be using today are the Extreme Hydration Leave-In Conditioner, the Extreme Hydration Moisturizing Hair Butta, and the Extreme Hydration Cream Gel. If any of you have used any products from Annabelle's Perfect Blend, let me know in the description box. I want to know. So with these particular products here, I can see wonderful ingredients like water, of course, aloe vera juice, honey, chamomile, cucumber, rose water. Oh my goodness. Also, let's see, plum seed oil, sunflower oil, nice, avocado oil, kukui nut oil. Now that's a new one to me, so I'll be interested in seeing how that works on me. Alba oil, vegetable glycerin, mango seed butter, shea butter, sweet almond oil. So basically, this particular line, these ingredients are wonderful, and of course I want to try them in my hair. So I've already washed, deep conditioned, even did my scalp scrub on this particular wash day, and what I'm going to do is take down these twists, and I should actually do this one at a time. My hair is still kind of wet, but I want it a little wetter. Okay. I do enjoy the way these are sealed. I don't know if you can see that. So she does ensure that none of your product is going to end up in your box. You don't have to worry about that, and it is safe and secure. So let me take this tape off. I do like the plastic bottles. Once I took the tape off of this, I could smell some of the scent. So let me open it up. Ooh. It's filled up to the top. Oh my goodness, y'all, this smells like candy. This smells so good. This is the type of smell that if you walk by somebody, there's no doubt they're either going to say out loud or think, ooh, she smells good. Very thick, creamy, whipped consistency. Ooh, loving that. Nice and smooth. Okay, so the Extreme Hydration Leave-In Conditioner says, for this, apply to damp or dry hair as needed. Can be used as a leave-in or moisturizer. Okay. Filled all the way up. So she makes sure you get every little bit of your product for the money, and I appreciate that. Let's take out some of this. Okay. Comes out just like a lotion. Smooths on like a lotion. Feels like it has plenty of slip. Also the same lovely scent. Okay, and the last one, this is the Extreme Hydration Gel Cream. And one thing that caught me as soon as I opened up my box is the color. Look at that, it's pink. It says apply to damp hair and style. So each one of these particular products advise you to use it on damp hair. So onto the hand, look at that. It comes out really nice. It doesn't rush out. It has enough of a thickness that reminds me exactly of gel, but able to squeeze out of a bottle. So that is really convenient. That smooths out really nicely also. My hair has decided to start drying up a little bit, so I got some water I just put here in the old product. And I already have 4 sections, but what I'm going to do is probably do a total of 8 twists. I like chunky twists. They're easier, they're faster, and I like the size of the curls that it gives me. So I'm going to break this down into 2 twists. I'm going to use the Extreme Hydration Leave-In Conditioner first, Extreme Hydration Moisturizing Hair Butter, and last I'm going to go in with the Extreme Hydration Gel Cream. And then I'll seal it all with an oil. Oh, this smooths on perfectly. The slip is amazing. That smooths on nicely as well. It's thick, but as you can see here, it disappeared right into my strands. I'm not going to use too much because I don't know if this is going to leave a cast or not. I'm just combing that through my strands. Okay, okay. What I like about each and every one of these products, they're not sticky. They don't leave a yucky, oily residue on my hands. And they're nice, smooth. The scent is sweet, but very soft. Nice. I can easily work through my hair with these 3 products. I'm very happy. Okay, we got 1 down. So I'll go ahead and work on the rest of my head, and I'll just let you guys watch. If you want to watch, great. If you don't, it's okay. Either way, make sure you meet me towards the end of the video, okay? One thing I do notice about this gel is it's so easy to run through my hair, but I do notice it starts clumping my curls, like on contact. Okay, you guys get the point. So we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 2-strand twists done. I'm going to do another 4 on this side and let that dry. Look at this definition. Do you see how easily I undid my twist? It was effortless. Effortless. Look at this. Okay. So, you just saw me undo these twists. I haven't fluffed at all, and this is what we're looking like pre-fluff. Isn't that beautiful? You guys, I'm not gonna lie, at first I was a little bit worried on how hard the cast would be from the gel. My hair is soft. There's a hold, but there's not a hard cast on my curls at all. And the amount of moisture I got is ridiculous. Now you guys, you saw when I was installing the twists I didn't use oil at all. I completely forgot my oil. But with these 3 products here, honestly, I didn't even need it. It's called extreme hydration for a reason. I completely believe now. I completely believe. So if you're a fan of, you know, just undoing your twists and not really doing a whole bunch of separation, look at this. Okay, roses, I'm going to stop for right now. This is day 1. Of course, my fro will get bigger and bigger. I still think this is perfect for day 1 hair. The definition, I cannot get over. The moisture, the hydration, I cannot get over that at all. At all. I did not use an oil at all until after I finished twisting my hair, and I just ran it over my twist like I just did to undo the twist. That's it. So these 3 products here by Annabelle's Perfect Blend, if you have not tried Annabelle's Perfect Blend for hair care or skin care or feminine hygiene products, I encourage you to go ahead and do so. I'll go ahead and leave the information for Annabelle's Perfect Blend down in the description box. If you haven't tried this particular extreme hydration line, I give these 3 products right here an A+. Woo! So anyway, if you made it this far in the video, I appreciate it if you can go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share this video. Share, share, share. The more people find out about this particular channel, the more people we can add to our rose garden. So anyway, I will talk to you roses later. Bye.